So if you offer tune-ups or maintenance for garage doors, and if you've got a good list of them, or if you know an area that would be perfect to offering, tune-up special. One thing you could do is instead of doing a tune-up special, you can actually roll that into doing a membership program. Now, of course, you're going to want to take that membership program and build on benefits specific to whatever your garage door company or service company offers. Um, However, it's a good way to build recurring revenue during downtime seasons, like even say the first of the year and Christmas and stuff like that. So follow for more garage door marketing tips. Thanks.